Hey, Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and I wanted to talk to you about a trade we had in the Grok room this morning on UVXY, which is a 3x bullish of the VIX index, which is the fear indicator. So when the market's going down, if the volatility goes up by 1 point, the UVIX goes up 3 points. On the right-hand side here, I have the SPX, the S&P 500 index. This is a 5-minute chart here, and over here on the left, this is a 1-minute chart. But at 11:45 this morning, which had been a pretty choppy day, it was high basing there on the UVIX. But what was happening in the S&P 500? It was dropping here, even though this was high basing. So I said, hey, if this breaks out of this high base, I wanted to be long. So I went ahead and I set an order there. Let's see first what happened in the SPX. This is a 5-minute again. Bam! Look what happened the next 5 minutes. Just collapsed on us. So let's take a look at the UVIX. What happened in that 5 minutes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom! And I'm in here. I'm in at $8.92. I'm long UVXY. And let's pull it down here and see what happened. As it just shot up, and then it was just for a minute and a half, it was just basing there. Now all day had just been chopping up and just chop, 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 chop. So I went in and I took out half here for 1.4%. Then as you can see, as soon as I got out, it took off. Let's see what happened next on the next 5-minute bar. Bam! Look at that, all the way down here now on the SPX. And let's see what happened over here. And again, it'll go up about 5 bars. It pulled back and kaboom! Look at that. I got to pull it down even more now. Now we're up here to the 950 area. And look at how far down it has dropped here in 10 minutes on the SPX. Things were going on in Sicily apparently. And that was news was hitting. And then bam! Look at that again, all the way down here to 1543. And what happened over here on the UVXY? We're riding it up, and it started to pull back. And I went ahead and I got out here at $9.42 for 5.6% on the second half. So the total trade from here, with half out here and the other half up over the top and out right there, was for 3.5% in 16 minutes. And again, I'm doing in concert with what's going on in the S&P 500. The VIX is going up, and this you can play on it at 3x the VIX. It did pull back here to the 8 EMA, and just watch, we did have a second trade on this one, and this bull pullback. Look at that. Look at that, and right now we got in, and we got in for just over 1% here, and then it started to turn down again. That was a second trade, and what happened over here is it did low base for a little while, and then see, it started to drop again. That's why this took off. Well, these are the kind of trades we're doing in the Grok room, and you're welcome to join us 30 days for free. Just go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com and go to the chat room page. You can sign up for the 30-day free trial. I'm not going to be trading tomorrow, Wednesday, so the next new video will be on Thursday. This is Mark the Meerkat suffering. Remember, we don't trade with emotion. We trade with discipline and composure. Trade well.